Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am going to be dyeing my own hair. I haven't washed my hair in like 2 days, so I was like, okay, this is the perfect time to do it. There's no need to do my makeup right now. I'm gonna do it later, not right now. So I'm just gonna get my hair brush so I can just brush my hair. So I'll be okay. So I'm just gonna untangle my hair. And I'm literally just wearing like a shirt that I know I could get stained. And I don't know if you guys can see, but I do have like light hair already. Maybe if you focus it. So I do have a little bit of light hair. So I'm just gonna be going over that light hair and just creating new light hair. This literally could turn out really good, or it can literally go to shit. But you know what, it's just hair. Like, I'm bored and I do want to go lighter, and I'm in my house and I'm just gonna try it out. But I'm sure my hair will eventually grow, and if it does turn out really ugly, then I'm just gonna cut it. So as you guys can see, my hair is like all the way down here, so I have a lot of long hair, and I'm just gonna dye like literally like this section. And as you guys can see, I do have light hair here and there, and I'm just gonna add a little bit more light hair. So let's see how this comes out. So I'm gonna be using this to dye my hair. So it shows like the dark hair and that potentially blonde hair you're gonna get with this. I feel like I have the darkest color right here, so I feel like it's not even gonna, to be honest, I feel like it's not even gonna work, but I'm just gonna go for it and to see what happens. So it comes with developer cream, a bleaching powder, a lining cream, an anti-brass conditioner, gloves, instruction sheet. So it comes with everything. So we'll see how this goes. I am so scared. Make sure to have some foil ready. I have 2 mariposas here and a rubber band. I'm just gonna section my hair out real fast and I'll be back. Okay guys, so this is everything that it comes with. I'm just going to prepare this and then I'll be back and I'll show you guys how I'm gonna dye it. I did section my hair in like a top ponytail, and then separating my hair in half, and then I think you guys can see like some of my light hair, so hopefully we turn that light hair a little lighter. And yeah, wish me luck guys. Just gonna apply some on my hand because I don't want to just go in with this in my hair. This is bleach, so I need to be very careful where I put it at. You guys, I'm just gonna eye everything out. With the aluminio, you put it in your hair like this, so you're able to see what you're doing. Go ahead and just add some bleach. Oh shit. Make sure I'm getting it everywhere. Okay, so I just need 2 more pieces on this side, and then I will go on with my other side. This is just how I'm doing it. I'm putting hair on the foil and just putting some bleach. And I'm just applying the bleach on the hair, rubbing it back and forth, up and down exactly. And then you just want to apply it to every strand of hair. I'm just gonna fold this. And we are down to the last section. So I am going to kind of tease my hair, but not too much. But with this side, I am gonna start teasing it like that. I'm just gonna be dyeing this section. So this is what I have. I'm not gonna touch this hair, so if anything comes out ugly in the bottom, I can just wear this hair down and it will just help it. I'm just eating some corn with mayonnaise and no cheese. I've been leaving the bleach on for 30 minutes. I have 8 minutes left. Okay guys, I officially washed out the bleach, and now I just put the toner, which is the blonde toner from the box. I put some foil paper too, so it can just, you know, do some magic. I'm just leaving it on for 30 more minutes. So in total, this is an hour. Yeah, it's an hour procedure. I'm gonna wash it off after 30 minutes, and then I'm gonna style it and show it to you guys. I hope it did make a difference. So I'm hoping it comes out nice, and if it doesn't, then oh well, I'm just gonna cut it off. Anyways, my hair grows really fast, so I'm not worried about that. Hopefully it does comes out good. Right now, when I took off the bleach, it did look lighter, so hopefully it gets lighter with the toner. And then I'm gonna condition it with the brassy conditioner that comes with the box. And yeah, I hope it comes out good, and I'll see you guys once it's done. So I am completely done with my makeup. Let me scoop back because I have a mess right there and I don't want you guys to see that mess. So yeah guys, I completely finished my makeup. I just did like, it's like my simple go-to glam. And then my hair, I just did it like, I just curled it. But this is how my hair looks now. Let me like show it to you guys. Okay, so as you guys can see, it did get a little more balayage. That's how my hair. This is basically my hair. So this is my hair now. So as you guys can tell, it did get light. It has like more of a balayage now. Before that, it looks way better than before. And I only did this with box dyes. So if you guys want to give yourself a new look, then just go for it and do it with the box dye. I'm just kidding. I am not a hair expert, and I'm sure if some hair experts were to be looking at my video, they'd probably be like, girl, hell no. But I mean, this is how I did it, you know, like I don't hate my hair. I actually feel like it looks really cute. And I did cut my bangs, and that's why like I have this little mariposa up, because I'm already tired of my bangs. Like they already need to grow, and I look so stupid with them now. Like, who fucking let me cut my bangs, dude? So yeah guys, this is how my hair looks. Let me show you guys from the back. Look at my hair now. This is how my hair would look if I was dancing. I think I got makeup on my freaking shirt. Oh no, I didn't get makeup. So yeah guys, and this is my hair tutorial, how I dye my hair at home. Oy. And I am gonna put my little mariposa up. And this is, don't mind that mess right there, but this is my hair. This is my hair tutorial, how to dye your hair at home. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and turn on your bell notifications so you guys are always notified every single time I upload a brand new video. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.